Hello everyone, and this is Edward Mendaros channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to enable dark mode for Microsoft Paint App in Windows 11. Alright, so this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process guys, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa start menu, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa searching bar ay search lang natin yung Paint App. And then click mo lang itong open. So ito yung built-in features in Windows 11 kapag ginagamit mo ang Paint App na to, at kung gusto mong baguhin ang kanyang appearance theme display into dark mode ay napakadali lang naman. So dito lang sa upper right side ay kailangan mo lang select yung icon settings na to. Ito yung kanyang open settings. So click lang natin yan. And then dito naman sa left side ay makikita mo dito yung appearance niya. So may tatlong option dito na pwede nating pagpilian na light, dark, into system settings. Paano ba natin enable yung dark mode? So, click lang natin itong dark mode. And then, automatic mga kaibigan na napalitan na yung kanyang theme display. So, back lang natin yan. And then, ito na siya. So, makikita mo dito na change ka agad. Okay, so pwede mo na itong gamitin. Katulad ganyan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin enable yung dark mode for Microsoft Paint App sa Windows 11. So, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.